How are you all? I am Risha, teacher from Ashwini Vidyalaya. We have completed chapter number 2 in school and we are going to start with chapter number 3. So, let us start chapter number 3 in our computer subject. So, we have studied in chapter number 2 e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. Means using internet we do a business like online shopping, right? We have done this, how we are buying the things and how we are selling the things in the other websites like Amazon, Flipkart and other websites, right? And we have also seen the type of e-commerces. Which were they? B2B, business to customer, business to customers means B2C, business to business means B2B, and customers to customers means C2C. And we have also seen some disadvantages and advantages of e-commerce. See, let us refer this only. How the product can be purchased, how it saves our times, and many things we have seen. So let us start with the m-commerce. So first of all, I just want to know, what do you mean by m-commerce? Have you heard it about it? No. Right? No. Or yes, yes or maybe no. The meaning of m-commerce means mobile commerce. Means doing businesses or doing anything from the mobiles are known as m-commerce. In it comes like palm top, tablet, PDAs, like and other many gadgets. In this, we are going to same way see the uses of mobiles, how the mobile is being used through the commerce. For example, we are booking the tickets for movies, aeroplane, railway station. We are booking the hotels, booking the restaurants and other many entertainment, right? We can do transactions over there and we can book a thing, right? And we will see many other things, how it is helpful through the mobile. We have seen through the electronic commerce, but we are going to see by mobile commerce. So, dear student, m-commerce means mobile commerce. Business done with the help of device such as mobile is increasing day by day. Today, both the computer and internet are easily available to the masses, and so the people are switching over to online shopping. It provides us with everything we need at our door steps, and that too is less price than market. Thus, everyone would like to take its benefit itself. We have already discussed these things in our class, that how we are doing shoppings, how this e-commerce or how this mobile also are helping in our daily life. A little thing can also be bought from online thing, right? So, due to the various offers available on m-commerce, people are opting it more and more for their day-to-day shopping. There are no mediator between the m-commerce website and the user or the buyer, and so the product available on these sites are cheaper. Also, many payment modes are available on m-commerce site. Out of this, cash on delivery is the most preferred one. We have also discussed this in class, yes, but many things should be taken care while doing shopping online. Users' data must be kept secret with the service provider to avoid any kind of fraud. In this chapter, we will discuss about m-commerce in detail. So get ready. So let us start how we will do it. M-commerce. M-commerce means mobile commerce. Business done with the help of device such as mobile is known as m-commerce. Devices such as smartphone, personal digital assistant, PDAs, tablet, palm top, etc. are used for the shopping things. As m-commerce is possible with the use of mobile, it can be easily done anywhere. Yes, as we are using it in mobile is with us on 24/7 hours, right? At the midnight also we can do it. Or for example, we are going in a bus and we want to do some shopping, then also we can do this, right? So it is a very easy way of shopping. Primary reason of increase in m-commerce is reduction in prices of smartphone and easy accessibility to internet. Yes, in each and every phone there is an internet, right? Each and every, whether it is a poor person or whether it is a rich person, he or she is having a smartphone. Yes, everyone has. And due to this COVID-19, some parents have to afford, or some person have to afford this smartphone. In fact, they have to afford for their children also, right? आपके पास सबके पास फ़ोन है ना? Yes, आप सब भी शॉपिंग करते ही होंगे, right? So let us see further. Example of m-commerce is, due to easy availability of mobile phones and internet, use of m-commerce has been increased drastically. Example of m-commerce are as follows. Buying and selling of product for auctions means we have discussed in class about the quicker.com, where we can sell second hand things, right? So this is the same, that the product is being auctioned, the second hand thing, and we can buy directly, right? Marketing and advertisement, like movie ticket booking, bus, railway, aeroplane ticket booking, hotel, restaurant booking, for entertainment, for financial services. Now if we want to plan a trip to somewhere like Goa or South India like Kerala, then by here only we can book our room, and as well as we can see our rooms also, right? Yes. So this is the benefit of our m-commerce. Example of m-commerce are popular m-commerce application are as follows. Amazon. We have already discussed this in our class, but let us read once. In the Amazon, India's online shopping app, there are more than 10 crores original product available. This is the most popular online shopping app. Due to the offers available on it, it has become a very popular. It is very easy to use. It has a security option for keeping the customer's details safe. Tracking the order can easily be done. Its Prime member can receive the product just in 1 or 2 days. If the member is Prime member, means if the member is regular customer of the Amazon, then he or she can get a product within 1 or 2 days also. And they are also keeping our data very securely, and they are not been using any as a fraud, right? वो fraud के जैसा भी हमारे data को use नहीं कर रहे हैं, right? And we can also track that where our product is exactly, where from it will come, right? So let's see the next. Flipkart. Flipkart is also a very famous. Yes, we have all done the shopping on it. It is of sports, accessories, electronic, fashion, furniture, everything is available on this, and we can see all the pictures in our mobile also. Yes, so we can shop easily. Flipkart. In the Flipkart online shopping app, there are more than 80 crore original product available. Various categories of products such as mobile phone, fashion, electronic devices, accessories, sports, personal care, furniture, etc. Here, in this electronic device, it comes with the washing machine, AC, fridge, TV also. Yes, we can also order on this. Various offers and deals are there in the offer zone and deal of the day category to give discount. Yes, they are also giving such offers so that the people are being attracted and they can buy a more product. Any product can be searched under search tab. If you want to search anything, then we can search it on search tab. Different filters can be used by the customers according to their choices. For example, if we are seeing a shirt, then if we are not liking that color, then we are getting a different colors choices also. Information about some of the product is also available in the form of videos. Yes, we can see the videos also. The customers care department is always 24/7 for the customers. We can, every time the customer care is ready for us to give any of the answers which we are not getting, right? And the most common thing in this m-commerce is that the price and the detail of the product is also available with the picture. For example, it is the picture of shoes, then what is the size, which size is available, which different colors are there, how many prices are there, and if we are getting the discount, for example 1 on 1, then what price is original of 1 and what is price of 2. जैसे कि हमें 2 प्रोडक्ट एक पे एक फ्री मिल रहा है और उसका एक प्रोडक्ट का कितना पैसा है वो भी लिखा है और 2 प्रोडक्ट का कितने पैसे है वो भी लिखा है, सो दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो डिफ्रेंशिएट इट. सो स्नैपडील, इट इज़ ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ आवर website from which we can do shopping. Let's see, in the Snapdeal online shopping app there are more than 6.5 crore original product available. Snapdeal online shopping app is used in India on a large scale. Various categories of products such as garment, fashion, electronic device, household, kitchenware, etc. are available. Here kitchenwares means dishes and other crockeries also are available. It provides free delivery in more than 600 cities. In the Trust Pay service, the order product is delivered with the guarantee of 100 safety. Means 100% safety. Means, for example, if we are buying some kitchen household things, then they give us guarantee that there will be no harm to our product. It has star rating available to compare this and select the product easily. Payment options such as credit, debit, net banking, cash delivery are available. It has an option to return the product within the 7 days. Yes, within the 7 days. यानी कि week. Yes, if we don't like the product or if we have any default in the product or if we got a big size rather than the small, then we can also have an option in return, right? ShopClues. The ShopClues online app offers shopping of wholesale rates. There are more than 5 crore products available in this app. It has various features such as product detail and information tracking of the record, adding more than one address in the address book, provides star rating of the product. Then yes, there is an app and we can also add our address, and we can add many addresses, like if we can also add our house addresses and we can also add our office address, so that wherever the easy available place is there, the person can deliver us things. Its instant notification informs about offers, sales and coupons. Whenever there is any change, the notification came and we can get many offers. Paytm Mall. Yes, this is also other type of website where we can do the shopping. The online shopping app of Paytm Mall is premium online shopping app of Paytm e-wallet. This is developed by Paytm, which is Indian most eligible e-wallet app. It was many products related to man, women, children, electronic, mobile, fashion, jewelry, stationery and household. It has option for cashback and also provide the other offers. Whenever we do the shopping, some of the money is being given as a cashback, right? Product from international brand are also available here. It is very easy to use. It is a wish list product to be bought in future, can be enlisted. Product can be shared with the friends and relatives. Customer care is available 24/7. Yes, it is having a wish list. Means if we have seen a watch here and we are not going to buy today, but in future we are going to buy, then we can add it in a wish list. Then this is a big basket. Yes, we are seeing many of the ad in our television. From the online grocery app of Big Basket, grocery can be brought. Any product required in the kitchen is available here, whether it is a fruits or it is a cereals or it is shampoos, anything. The guarantee to deliver, it guarantees to deliver the order on time. It also guarantees about the quality of the product. It offers a wide range of 18,000 products of around thousand brands. This app is available in 7 religion languages of India. It does home delivery in more than 25 cities. Yes. So by reading we are already knowing what is being written. So no need of more explanation. Grofers, we have also seen these ads. These are the ad ones, right? Which are coming in the TV and mobile also. From the online grocery app of Grofers Grocery can be brought. It has home delivery in more than 21 cities. With the grocery, it also has products such as fruit, vegetables, beauty product, household. More than 5,000 products are available on this app. Order can be placed to get the delivery at a convenient time of the buyers. It offers a return policy of 100% money back and exchange policy, which item is exchanged if a buyer doesn't like it. Various payment modes such as credit, debit, net banking, cash on delivery, e-wallet like Paytm, MobiKwik, etc. are being done. Product can be searched on this app in the 6 religion languages. Its club membership offers more savings. Yes, when we become a member, we can get more discount and our some money are been also been deducted. So kids, we will continue in our next lecture. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and do your work regularly. Thank you. Have a nice day.